production, the everything about it. It's just so fun. You can be yourself. It's not just about being a pageant girl. It's more about being yourself, being comfortable in your own skin. And I can assure that whoever comes to audition for Miss Grand Meghalaya or Miss Grand India is going to have a great time. So I just wish you guys.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sophia Singh with Asia Pacific India 2024, and I'm extremely honored to sitting over here at this beautiful city, Shillong, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the people, the weather, and everything over here. This is going to be my favorite city from the Northeast. I'm just going to tell you this. Also, Miss Grand, the title which we are representing over here from the Glapanand Group. Miss Grand was the first pageant which I have been associated with, and I was crowned as Miss Tourism. Also, the whole team has another recognized to me. They have recruited my title as Miss Asia Pacific. As you can say that Glapanand Group is one of the best companies which you can associate yourself for the pageantries. We have lots of international and national pageants over here. Miss Grand, Miss Universe, and international pageants such as Asia Pacific, of course, Miss Grand, Miss Universe, Miss Charm, and so on. So I would like to say that may the best girl from over here should win, and I am extremely looking forward for it. Thank you so much.
There is a saying, I would like to say a line which Bhagavatta has said it once, that nobody is gonna remember what outfit you will wear, what hairstyle was, what dress you will wear. It is gonna be remembered how you have performed yourself on stage, how you have been with others, how you have ability to yourself with others, how you have gesturized with others. Always be with the gratitude. It doesn't matter that if who's gonna win the show, who's not gonna win the show. People obviously recognize the winner, but sometimes women or a man with gratitude, people gonna remember you all of your life. That is the best message I can give to all of the girls over here or who's gonna come in future. Because nothing is impossible in this world. If something is written